Mahua Chatterjee. Uh, Two questions for you. One is the Calcutta High Court has ordered recently that before March 31st, I mean, I'm asking this question because it seems related to election timing also. The state should clear land for fencing across Bangladesh, international border. And so is the state government, are you going to be complying to it?
No, please let me reply the first question. Though it is not related to SIR.
No.
Court, they give sometimes direction because their mastermind is there. In few cases, we have provided so many lands, not only for border, but for coal sector, for oil sector, for SSB, for CRPF, for CISF, for railway. So whole land I cannot give right now. And wherever the full border, now they have the system. Why they are raising it just on the eve of election, do you know? Earlier there was a system, within 15 kilometers BSF can move. Now this present head minister 50 किलोमीटर कर दिया. वो जाके गांव में सताते हैं, डराते हैं, गोली का चलाते हैं, गोली करते हैं. वो करे ना बॉर्डर फेंसिंग पूरा, वो स्टेट को ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे दे, हम लोग कर देंगे, रुपया उन्होंने दे दे, हम कर देंगे, लेकिन नॉट 15 किलोमीटर्स, नॉट 50 किलोमीटर्स, 15 किलोमीटर्स जो अर्लियर थे.
Thank you, Didi. The next question is, so far since the last Lok Sabha elections in 2024, BJP has won all the elections that have been has been fought so far, contested so far, including barring Jharkhand. So in the next round of elections, Bengal is a, everybody's attention is on Bengal. So the question is, how prepared
No
are
tension,
you?
Bengal is
How
targeted.
prepared are you?
Bengal is targeted. And if you ask me what is our opinion, BJP is also targeted from our people.
Ma'am, good afternoon. I'm Shreya Dhondiyal. I work for Times Now. You just gave us a lowdown of what happened with your team at the Election Commission. The Election Commission's version is slightly different, ma'am. They are saying that you are the one who behaved very badly, you were terribly rude, you banged the table, and then you walked out with your team. So whose version, ma'am, should we believe?
You don't believe the election commission version because you were not there. Now, are you present there? So why only election commission with their media, they will decorate their version? What election commission is saying, only it is a face-saving formula. And when you were not present there, you do not know what happened inside. हम तो लक्ष्मी भंडार में 5 साल में 60,000 दिया.
Mamtaji, this is Shubhajyoti from BBC CNR. Yesterday, after your meeting with the CSC, you said that you will be boycotting the election commission. So can you please elaborate what does it exactly mean? Does that mean your government will go for a full-fledged confrontation and non-cooperation with the commission and ahead of the election?
Government will perform according to government rules. And party will perform as per party system. Yesterday, what happened? We don't expect any respect from election commission. We only expect the disrespect. They are working as a BJP cadres. That is our allegation. Government will perform as per government rules. Government is different and party is different. That much I can tell you right now. And next future will tell you the future. रणनीति जो होता है.
I'm Shreya from India Today. So many of these SIR critics have highlighted that despite deletions, there's an increase in the number of booths that's coming across as patterns. Because yesterday, outside ECI, you mentioned you have a strong organization. Any specific roadmap to tackle all these problems on the ground?
I'm telling you, earlier there is a system that only the local people will be the booth agent. All the BLO, 1, 2. But because BJP, they didn't have that. Only they work through agencies, so many agencies. So, for BJP, they have changed the rules. That anybody can come from outside and maybe the agent, election agent, or the BLO 1, or the BLA 2? If they are not afraid, why they are doing so? Let them challenge as per election rules. Let them work as per election rules. We can manage everything because we are with the people 365 days. And they only work only 2 months, give money to the account, use somebody's account. बिहार में अब देखा, चुनाव का पहले 10,000, चुनाव का बाद में बुलडोजर. हम ऐसा नहीं करते. हमारा कमिटमेंट इज माई कमिटमेंट.
Didi, I'm Vasudha Venugopal from NDTV. What will the TMC do once the final list of voters gets out, which is in the middle of February? Because you already have a backlog of submissions of Form 7. And my second question is, are you also looking at support from MK Stalin and Akhilesh Yadav? Because it looks like only the TMC is taking on the Election Commission of India.
No, that is not correct. Because Akhilesh also met me. But this is a Trinamool Congress. We are there because it is a Bengal matter. That's why we are here. I think they are also facing the same problem. But do you know the difference? Even in Tamil Nadu, domicile certificate allowed all the states. Family registered allowed. Government schemes, land certificate allowed. Other documents given by government allowed. But Bengal, nothing is allowed. Why? Why? Why Bengal is targeted? What to speak if I don't speak to you? And this is a fact. This is on record I am saying.
এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে এগিয়ে রাখে।